Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of Sony's Bluetooth headset with speaker named SBH56. Today I'm gonna unbox it and take a quick look at it. So here is the packaging. This should come with this polythene. And opening this up, we're gonna get this packaging, and here is the hard plastic packaging, and here are all the features. Works with Android, iOS, works as a speaker. Here is a tiny speaker, looks like a receiver, Bluetooth receiver, but this is also a speaker. So here is a camera shutter, works as a camera shutter. Any of these buttons should work as a shutter button for your phone with an app, of course. And here is the USB-C logo. Charges with USB-C, and let's take a look at the back. So here are the things. Works with Android and iOS. You can just pause and take a closer look at it. And here are the things we get inside the box. So I'll just unbox it. This is really hard to open actually. Okay, because this is the place to open it. So opening up the packaging, we get this. Nothing else inside the box, so I'll just keep it aside. So I'm not sure how is it done. Okay, I'll just do this one. And here are some FCC statements. And don't really think you'll need any of this important information. So no manuals, I guess. I don't know. So the rubber tips just fell off. So here are the rubber tips. I guess here is the small size and medium sized ones. No, sorry, small size and large sized ones. The medium size are already installed with the buds. Here is the manual. All the features included. So I'll just keep it aside as well. So I'll just okay, I got the mechanism, I guess. It should be like this. And here is a full-length USB cable. That's surprising actually. With this kind of products, you usually get small USB cables, but it's pretty good quality. I don't know will it support fast charge or not. But this is USB Type-C and a full-length cable, and it is black, though the receiver is silver and white. So I'm just gonna take out the earbuds. I guess this is the right way to unhook it. Just okay. Here's the earphone. It is Sony MH755 as I came to know. An angled jack with gold plates. A decent addition with the receiver. As you can see, this is not a full-length earphone. This is a shorter one, so you will keep the receiver near your mouth and place it in your shirt, and you will just connect this one, so you will not need a longer cable. So this is done this way. And the earphones cables are different lengths, so this comes here and this comes a bit longer. And let's come to the receiver itself now. I guess you should take it apart like this. Yes. So here's the receiver. Many will think this is brushed aluminum, but this isn't. This is aluminum, I think. No, this is not aluminum as well, but this feels good plastic. Not really great, but good. And here's the NFC logo, so you should just tap it on your phone and get connected with Bluetooth. And here is the power button. Here's the Sony logo, and here is the main feature, I guess. I'll just do it this way. So you can just use the shutter of your phone using this, pause, play and receive calls through this, and volume up down using this. And here is the USB type C. And what is this? I guess this is a mic. I'm not really sure, but it should be a mic. And here is the feature of, I'll just zoom it in, speaker, and the 3.5mm audio jack. So here it is. Now I'll just try to turn it on. I don't see any kind of LEDs. So this thing didn't have any charge, so I charged it a little. So here it is. It will light up red or orange, I can say, if you charge it. I'll just try to turn it on now. So as you can hear the sound, you will know that here is a speaker included. Usually with Bluetooth receivers, you don't hear its sound immediately because there is no speaker. So I'll just pair it with my phone. It's not my phone actually, it's my dad's phone. My phone is recording. Firstly, I'm gonna download the app from App Store. I should write SBH56. Here it is. So I'll just install it. In the meantime, I'll just try to connect it with my Bluetooth receiver. So here is refreshing. Should I do it in pairing mode? Okay, no, it is already in pairing mode because there is no device connected. I will just connect with this and pair it. I'll just pair. So you can see here, you'll hear a sound. So it is paired. But did I install it? No, it is installing. So let's try without the app. I'll just try to listen to the songs. Does it work? Here is the full volume. You'll just okay, it is installed, so I'll just open it. I agree all the time. Location, I don't know, does it have, okay, it will just use the phone's GPS. Okay, I will just select this one, paired and connected. Camera key settings set up. I'll just turn it on screen keyboard. Okay, take a photo, launch the camera app. Here are all the things you will need to know. Long press the camera key, the picture triggers the camera application. Take a photo, take a short recording, press the camera key. Okay, so take a photo, so double tap the camera key. So I'll just try this one. So what did it say? It said long press the camera key. I'll just try long pressing the camera key. Here is the camera key. I'll just long press it. Does anything happen? No, I guess this cannot be done yet. I'll just use the camera. If I see, check, does it work or not. I just double pressed it, so it is working as a timer. I'll just press it one time and check. This is taking a shot. Okay, this is recording. I don't really know why it is happening. I guess this is what it should be like. I'll just skip it and I'll just shift to the YouTube app, and here is the speaker which is working. So I'll just try to change the track. Pause. So here it is paused. If I play it, it will play. And here's the volume up down. I guess this works independently with the receiver, not anything with the phone app or phone system. Okay, let's see what features do we get with the new app. Camera settings, caller name readout. Okay, there is also a feature, if anyone calls you, this app will read out the name of the caller, so you will able to hear it through the speaker. So I just unpaired my Bluetooth receiver from my phone so I can connect it with my PC. So I'll just try to connect with my PC, and here's, I already paired it, so it is already paired. So I'll just show you how to connect it once you disconnect it. I'll just open in settings, and here, as it is paired, you'll see that from your paired devices it will show paired. I'll just connect it. I should clean my monitor sometime. Okay, you heard the sound from my receiver, so it is not blinking anymore. I'll just try a video so you can see. Next time I gotta check this one. So this is already connected, and you can change, even though it's connected, you can just select other device to set your output. And here we go. And for this one, you can see I can scroll through my mouse to just set the volume, and I can also use the receiver to, oh, it was working, but it is now separated from the PC, so control is independent from the PC. I don't really know how does it work, when does it work. I'll try to figure it out later. So let's try the video now. So I'll just increase the volume. Fastest one yet, but things are going to get quicker. Now I'm setting the 190E 2.5 16 evolution from 1990. So this car was, so you can see there is a noticeable lag in the sound to come from the Bluetooth speaker, but if you are not gaming, it shouldn't be an issue, so it is fine, I guess. Okay, I just got to work the volume from the, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know when it works, when it doesn't work, but is it working now? No, it isn't working now, but it just worked, you see. So very weird, very okay. Okay, I got it now. When you were just playing through the video and you press the volume, it works. See, it works. And when you disconnect it, it doesn't work. I don't know why, but it should work if it is connected to the receiver. I tried to do this on my, well, I can pause it also. I can pause the video also. I'll just play it so you can see it. Nice. Okay, so I tried it with my phone. The volumes work independently, and the play pause button works fine, and the shutter button works fine, but the volume rocker should be working together with the settings of the phone, I guess, but it doesn't, unfortunately. So that's the catch. And let's come to the quality of the earphones. The quality of the earphones is really good, actually. I really like it. It has good bass, it has good treble, and overall it's good for the, I got it at a really cheap price, so I can't really complain. But it is good. But I have an issue with the quality of the earphone, the especially this part. I don't know how durable will it be. I guess I should use it carefully so I get a longer life out of this. So here it is. And if you want to know anything else, so you can just comment anything so I can show you. And here it is, the review of Sony SBH56. Thank you for watching.